Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this origami propeller ninja star, and check it out. So it's a ninja star, and it's really cool. And this model is actually based on this origami propeller spinner that I taught right here. See? It spins just like that. But here I actually managed to turn this model into a ninja star. See? And this is what it looks like. See? And it came out really nice, and it flies okay. It makes like an okay flicker. So you can check this out like this. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to fold it. So, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model I used a 6-inch square of kami, but for this tutorial I'm going to use a 10-inch square of kami. Okay, so let's begin right side up, and let's fold in half. This model actually starts out with this model. So if you actually know how to make this, then you can skip to this point. Okay, so fold in half like this. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Alright, unfold and fold in half this way. Alright, unfold, and now fold this edge to the crease. Alright, now keep it folded and rotate 90 degrees like this and do the same thing. So fold this edge to the crease. Alright, and do that 2 more times. Alright, now this is the tricky part here, so we're just gonna unfold this like this and open this pocket right here. Put your hand all the way inside of it, and we're gonna kind of just shove this. We're gonna refold it, and we're gonna shove all this paper inside. See? Like this, until you get something like that. Alright? There, that was kind of a tricky move, so I hope you guys were able to do that. Okay, that's the hardest step of the model, but the rest of the steps are a lot easier. Okay, so we have it like this, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to this edge. Alright, unfold that, and now fold this edge to the crease. And actually on this propeller spinner that I taught years ago, we actually didn't make that fold, we just folded it, and we just pretended like there was a crease right there. So we just estimated it, but I recommend just making a crease there just to make it more exact. Okay. And yeah, and fold this edge to the crease like this. Alright, and now do that 3 more times. So fold this edge to here, or fold this point to here. And unfold and fold this edge to the crease. You could try and estimate. You could try and maybe not make this fold if you want. But I recommend it. Okay. Alright, now do that 2 more times. I'm going to fast forward these other 2. Okay, like this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to squash fold these 4 flaps. So let's start with this one. So let me zoom in for this. So we're going to unfold this flap right here, and we're going to squash it so that this crease right here aligns with this line right here. Alright, and do that 3 more times. I'm going to fast forward this part. Okay, just like that, and look at that. Here we have the propeller spinner right here, and yep, and if you want to make it spin, I'm sure you know what to do, just fold it in half twice. Alright, like this, and then make those 2 folds at the same time, and now you just find a smooth table, and it spins really nicely just like that, see? And of course from 6-inch kami, that's how it works. Yep, there it is. Alright, well, if you like it like that, and if you're happy with that, then you're all done. But now, if you really want to make it into a ninja star like this, then here's how to do that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn over like this, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this edge to the crease like this, and don't make the fold all the way across. Just don't fold on the white part right here, just fold on the blue part. So from here to there, and from here to there. I mean, you could probably fold on the white part, but you might just end up with an extra crease on the propeller. So that's why I'm just folding on the blue part. Okay, like that. And now we're gonna open this pocket right here, like this, and we're gonna squash it. And don't squash it evenly. You wanna squash it so the squash hits this point right here. So this crease will not align with this edge right here. Alright, so that's what it looks like that. Alright, and make that sharp all the way across. Alright, that's what it looks like. Alright, now we're gonna do that 3 more times. So I'm not gonna fast forward because the last one's a little bit different. I'm gonna show you to do the last one. Okay, so take this edge and fold it to the crease like this. Yeah, all layers. And I just recommend folding just on the colored part, not the white part. Alright. And now open this pocket right here and squash on this point right there. And the crease will not align with the edge. Alright, like this. Alright, now let's do it again. So fold this edge to here, all layers. Alright, just crease on the blue part. And now open the pocket right here, squash it on that point. Like this. Okay, now for the last one, see, this is kind of in the way, so let's just kind of let's undo a couple of these, like this. Well, yeah, let's just undo all of them for now, just temporarily. Okay, now let's do the same thing. Fold this edge to the crease, all layers, and just fold on the blue part, or whatever color you're using. Now open here, and squash on that point right there. Okay, just like that. So now we got all the folds, and now we're gonna try and make them all at the same time. So let's fold this up like this, and here. And now this is actually the other most difficult step. This is actually tricky. So we're gonna fold this and we're gonna kind of tuck it inside. So it's tricky because we have to kind of open this pocket up too. So here we go. Let's hope I'm able to do this. Okay. Remember, it's like a tato, so just try and get it in there. This is the most difficult step out of in the whole model. I forgot to mention that. Okay. Oh, there we go. I got it in there like that. So we just shoved all that inside. There we go. Now we close it back up like that. Okay. Okay, so that was a really tricky step. I hope you guys were able to do that. It'll take a little bit of practice, but then you'll get it. Okay, like this. So here we have the ninja star taking shape right here, and it's actually pretty cool, just like this. But I'm gonna show you how to make it look a little bit nicer like this. Make the points more pointy. So to do that, turn the model over, and we're gonna take this and we're gonna fold it up in between. Use my pencil here. In between here and here, like this. And try and make this fold really sharp, like make it really flat, so it'll make it fly a little bit better. Alright, like this. Or if you really want it to be flat, stick it on something heavy overnight. Alright, now do that all the way around. Fold up in between this point and this one. Okay, just like this. And there is the ninja star. See? And it looks okay like this, but see, the points are not exactly pointy like this. So I'm gonna show you to make them. I'm actually now trying to discover this, but it looks like it'll work though. So I'm gonna try and make this more pointy. So I'm gonna try and fold it in between this point and this point. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I'm just gonna see if it'll work. And if it works, then I'll do the same thing all the way around. Well, it's really thick right here. Okay, just like this. And then maybe fold this excess paper up too. Oh yeah, see, that'll make a more pointy point right there. But no, that's I'm not gonna actually do that though. It's actually nice just the way it is. Don't do that. It's not gonna be quite as flat though because the paper is thick right here. Okay, so just keep it like this. I just recommend it. Okay, and now just make sure that these flaps are overlapping. They're on top like this. Okay. Alright, like this. And there is the Ninja Star, see? And this might spin on the table like this model does. See? Let's see if we can make it do it. So fold it in half twice like this. Let's see if it spins. It doesn't spin quite as well. It's not really the best spinner. Yeah, it's because of all these flaps right here, that's why. But yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to fly it. So you just hold it like this, and you just flick on one of these edges. It's not really the best flying model because it's got all these flaps right here. It's not really meant to be a flicker, but it flies okay though for a Ninja Star. See, it spins a lot in the air, so that's good. I'm gonna try and flick it across the room and see what that looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like from 10-inch paper, and let's fly it like this. Yeah, it spins a lot in the air, but it doesn't go that far though because of the flaps, obviously. This really isn't meant to fly or be a flicker or anything. Oh! Alright, now the one from 6-inch paper, the one I showed in the intro. Yeah. It does look pretty cool when it flies though, and it spins a lot in the air like that though. Alright, so there it is. Well, I hope you guys were able to fold this Ninja Star and enjoy flying it if it flies really well. Maybe if you put tape over it or something, like keep the flaps closed or something, or just keep it really flat, it might fly better, but no, I refuse to use tape. I don't like using tape in origami. Alright, so anyways, hope you guys like this model. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.